Welcome back everyone to one of my best games to date, Sniper Hunt. In this one I started the beginning of the map to get a jump on the enemy team with a claymore I set up, while my two other sniper teammates are set up on the other side of the field. I patiently wait for the enemies to pass by my claymore. But as time passes, it seems they took a different route than my claymore was set at. I see some enemies heading back this way though. It looks like two are staying behind the group to make sure they don't miss anything. Except me. So it's time to head out and start the stalking. I hear enemy fire, which means they made contact with my teammates.
Holy shit.
Ahead of me are an overwhelming amount of enemies that took out my teammates, so it's just me. I do still have one thing left going for me. They still don't know where I am. Wait a second. The BB hits something in front of my barrel and flies up in the air. The enemy team starts moving back to cover the ground. But some get a little too close for comfort. I have to adjust my position to stay hidden. They still don't know exactly where I am, but I look for an emergency escape just in case. More enemies start heading back to reinforce their teammates. They all know where I am now. I have to run. I'm now cornered at the end of the field and the enemy team is starting to surround me.
Safety.
Something made me feel like that was the last one, but I was mistaken and got shot by the last guy. I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome gameplay, and I'll see you guys in the next one.